Come with me as I tour the room of 1 Delta Terraces. This is the 2-bedroom A inner unit. That is the dining area and the kitchen area. This is located in Quezon City. That is the living area. As you go straight, you could see the 2 bedrooms. That's the first bedroom. This is the full view of the bedroom. As you go straight there, you could see the balcony. The view is very nice since it's near the MRT. There is washing machine in the cabinet. As you go straight there, you could see the toilet and bath. It is very pretty and decorative. They have decoration. That is another bedroom. To know more inquiries, message me.